Today, we here run through the best screen mirroring tool AirDroid Cast to help you mirror your iPhone/iPad screen to your PC. To cast your iOS device screen, install AirDroid Cast on your computer from our official website. Also, install our app on your iOS device from App Store. After signing up and logging into your account on your computer, now you can connect your iOS device in 3 ways. If you want to connect your iOS device to a computer wirelessly, choose WLAN and you can use your phone to scan the QR code. Or input the 9CAST code shown on your computer now. Once connected successfully, your iOS device's screen will appear on your computer. Method 2: mirror iOS device screen to PC wirelessly via AirPlay service. By installing AirDroid Cast on your computer and turning on the AirPlay service, you will be able to turn your Windows/Mac computer into an AirPlay receiver directly. First, connect your iOS device and computer to the same Wi-Fi network. Then on your iOS device, go to Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring, then select your computer. Your iOS screen will show on your computer. The third method is to connect with USB cable to mirror iOS device screen. First, connect your iOS device to the computer using a USB cable. Choose your iOS device from the available devices list on the AirDroid Cast desktop by clicking Cable. After the drivers are installed successfully, please reconnect the device and restart AirDroid Cast so that the drivers can be used normally. Next, tap Trust on your iPhone/iPad when it asks you to trust this computer. Then enter the screen passcode to complete this process. Look, the iOS device is successfully mirrored to the PC now. Once connected successfully, you can see your Android device screen directly on your computer. Click Open New Window button. You can maximum connect 5 devices at the same time. For better experience, you can full screen mirroring, rotate the screen, mirror device audio and microphone sound. AirDroid Cast also provide a solution to remote control your Android device on a PC. Just click the control icon on the left menu bar of AirDroid Cast on your computer to initiate the remote control request. It should be noted that Bluetooth needs to be enabled on your iOS device and computer. Pair the 2 devices via Bluetooth. You can now easily control your iOS on the PC screen with the mouse and directly type with the computer keyboard, or use the AirDroid Mobile Quick Control menu on the left bar options. Home, Recent Tasks, Control Center, Notification Center, Swipe down, Swipe up, Hotkeys button. That's it. Now you can enjoy iOS screen mirroring experience for your daily need like TikTok videos, game streaming, or casting your thoughts for meeting, teaching, or any business event. Alright, this is today's video. What are you waiting for? Go and free download AirDroid Cast now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you next time.